Alright, so let's get started on the haircut. I'm going to start with my clipper or my trimmer in the closed position. I start making my first guideline with a 0 closed blade. Keeping it consistent, we're going to go all the way around the head. Once we go all the way around the head, we're going to grab our foil shaver and we're going to get even closer. Remember, we can only use the foil shaver once we get close enough to the skin with a trimmer. Now we're going to go back to our trimmer. We're going to remove any demarcation that may have been left behind. Remember to be soft and gentle. You want to let the trimmer do the work for you. I'm using this trimmer first because it's a little bit closer than the clipper. Next, you can use your clipper and you can set it in the closed setting and you could just bump out the line. Now I'm going to attach a number 1 guard with the open lever. I'm just going to use very gentle strokes and I'm going to just follow the contour of the head, gently, just slowly chipping away at a little bit at a time and following the head shape. Moving on to the back of the head using the same technique that I'm using on the sides here. Always remember to let the machine do the work for you. These machines are very powerful and they cut on contact. Again, I'm just following the head shape here. This is what the client prefers, a higher fade on this one. My lever is in the open position at the moment. Sometimes I'll be closing it and other times I'll be opening it just to get that perfect blend. So we're gonna speed things up here a little bit and recap everything. First we go in with the closed lever, we make our first guideline, we be very gentle with it, then we take our foil shaver, get a little bit closer, and then using our 1 attachment guide comb, we're gonna open and close and blend out that line. Here's the finished result. I hope you like it and try out some of these techniques for yourself. Thanks for watching and have a great day.